So I'm going to show you how I make mulled wine. I love mulled wine at this time of year, and I think it's really warm and comforting, but also fun to have if you've got friends over to enjoy in the evening with nibbles or before dinner. It's also known as glühwein, and it's served on a ski slopes quite often. So I've got a nutmeg here, and I'm just going to grate some of this to start with. That's probably enough. I shall leave it there. Now I'm going to take the orange peel off using a potato peeler, and I'm just going to get it into slices. You don't want to go down too thick because you don't want the white pith that's a little bit there. So I'm just going to remove that because that makes it bitter. So you just want to take the top layer off. Just go around my orange like this. It's quite important to use fresh oranges when you're doing this because the skin comes off much easier than using oranges that are a few weeks old. And then I'm going to do the same with the lemon. Just get that all off. So I'm now going to add that and my nutmeg into my large pan, which I've got here. Just scrape that nutmeg in there. And I'm going to pop 3 bay leaves, a cinnamon stick. I should pop that one in there. And a small handful of cloves. I'm going to come out easily. Take the lid off. A handful of cloves. Absolutely love the smell of cloves. Those go in, and then I'm going to pop 2 tablespoons of demerara sugar. And then I have got a bottle of Rioja, and that's going to go in too. In it all goes. And it depends how many you've got coming. You can obviously add more wine and double the ingredients, but I'm just doing 1 bottle for today. And then onto the heat it goes. So I've got my mulled wine on a low heat, and I want the sugars to dissolve, so I shall give it a bit of a stir. And you want all of those spices and orange and lemon rind to infuse the flavour of the wine. So we shall leave it on a low heat, probably for about 5 to 10 minutes, to let those flavours all infuse through. So my mulled wine is now ready for me to take off the heat. Here we are. Pop that there. Smells really wonderful. And now I'm actually going to add a couple of tablespoons of sloe gin, which is my secret ingredients. 1, 2. I add this when I've taken it off the heat. That there. She'll give it a good stir. It smells amazing. And now I've got this really beautiful, if you can see, this beautiful punch bowl that was my parents', and I'm going to serve it from here. So I've got let me show you. I've got a sieve which is balancing on the top, and I'm going to pour it in through there, that, and then all the bits that I don't want to go in to serve with the wine have been caught in my sieve, and then that, just shake it all through. It's going to sit there. So now I'm going to pour into my glass and have a little taste. Absolutely delicious.